of the Jacob City burn scar. Between 0.3 and 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flows moving through the Soldier Canyon, crossing the county road.
We just had the weekly test, and now we have a flash flood warning.
Vegetation and other loose materials.
No!
Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
What the heck?
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Jacob City burn scar. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Jacob City burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of eastern Tualatin County east of Stockton.
Oh,
Move away from recent
Stockton!
Life-threatening flooding of creeks.
Oh, it's like emergency there.
Washes is likely.
Uh-oh.
The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Dude!
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties, as well as Utah.
Will there still resume the broadcast cycle?